Okay, this is a quick 3625 chord voicings in the key of C major. So your three the notes are E, and then the note for 6 is A, the note for 2 is D, the note for 5 is G, that's the root note, and then your 1. Right, so I'm going to be showing the chord voicings. You can use 2 6 3 6 2 5 1. Yeah, so your 3, it's going to be the usual E minor 7 chord voicing, which is E, G, B, and D. All right. So then the 6, we're gonna do E diminished 7 chord, which is E, G, B flat, and D flat. Right. Then for our 2, we're gonna do D minor 7, which is D, F, A, C. Then for our 5, we're gonna do D diminished 7 chord, which is D, F, A flat, and B. Then to our 1, C major 7, which is C, E, G, B. All right, so I'm able to do this piano lesson for you outdoor, because I have this keyboard power bank that powers my keyboard for 8 hours. So this is it. So grab your copy right now. It's available, and don't forget to grab my intermediate piano course also. God bless you. Bye.